Visit Tuscany.com. Cenci, traditional Tuscan recipes. Place the flour on a working surface. Form a pyramid and make a well in the center. Place 2 eggs, sugar, melted butter, a pinch of salt, orange and lemon zests, yeast and bean santo in the center. Mix the ingredients with a fork. Cut the dough with a dough scraper and mix again. Knead and shape the dough into a ball. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Dust the ball with flour and cut it into 4 with the dough scraper. Roll the dough out into long, thin sheets. Use a pastry wheel to cut diagonally into thin strips. Place the strips on a tray lined with kitchen paper. Deep fry them in a pan with oil. Use tongs to turn the strips in the oil. When golden brown, remove them from the oil and drain on the kitchen paper. Place the cenci on a plate. Sprinkle with sugar. Cenci. Ingredients: 240 grams of plain flour, 20 grams of butter melted, 20 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 orange zest grated, 1 lemon zest grated, 1 pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of bean santo or vodka grappa brandy, about 1 liter of vegetable oil for deep frying, more sugar to sprinkle the cenci once fried. Method: pour the flour on a large working surface, make a well in the center and add all the other ingredients there. Knead all the ingredients with your hands for at least 10 minutes until the dough becomes very elastic and smooth. Let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. Roll out the dough to make long and paper-thin sheets of pasta about 1 or 2 millimeters thick. Cut the pasta sheets with a knife or a wheel in strips. Deep fry the cenci in a large pan with hot frying oil. Fry the cenci in batches for about 30 seconds per side. Remove the cenci from the oil and drain them for a few minutes on a dish lined with kitchen paper. Dust the cenci with sugar. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.